Science and technology are natural, long-standing partners and are an integral part of our society. Today, young children informally develop knowledge in these disciplines through their interactions with people and objects. As a result, technology is increasingly being used in early childhood classrooms. Hi, I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and the two questions that I get asked about this is how to teach science in preschool with ICT and what are science and technology activities for preschoolers. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can begin to integrate technology into preschool science learning today by applying the following strategies with a hands-on approach in your own preschool learning environment now. Step number 1 is understand the role and importance of technology in science. Having a firm understanding on the underpinning educational theories behind the use of technology in science education is crucial to your success on having a lasting impact on children's learning. This is what you'll learn in our Science and Technology workshop for preschool teachers as a member of the ICT in Education Teacher Academy. Supporting your ICT capability is not just about delivering preschool technology activities, but also ensuring that you develop an understanding of the learning theories behind the practice and know how to select the right technology for the learning outcomes that you seek. Step number 2 is you'll find that technology in science education falls within 3 categories. Number 1, technology that is unrelated to science but is used in the service of science. 2, technology that is designed for teaching and learning science. And 3, technology designed and used to do science. When selecting ICT tools for teaching and learning science, it is best to ensure that the child will have full control over the technology, whether it may be hardware or software, so that there will be a high level of decision making on the child's behalf. There is technology that can assist in sequencing and sorting information, writing explanations, illustrating effects, inquiring and communicating information. You'll learn more about this in this particular workshop as a member of the Academy when you join. Plan to integrate ICT in science education. It is important that you select the appropriate opportunity in which ICT can facilitate, enhance and extend children's learning. And there are many opportunities to make good use of the very wide potential of ICT to support teaching of science. In fact, there is ample opportunity for both subjects to support each other. Planning for science and technology in preschool means identifying the sorts of activities where ICT can support and enhance science. Learn how to teach science in preschool with technology. Teaching science in preschool with technology is about modeling the appropriate use of ICT, as well as demonstrating or intervening at the right time. For example, inserting an image taken by a digital camera as a method of recording children's observations. It goes beyond just teaching basic ICT skills. As a member of the Academy, we will take you through the process of teaching science with ICT to give you the confidence and expertise that you need in order to effectively embed STEM education into your learning environment. And finally, adapt and apply science and technology activities. Save time and gain access to our archive of preschool technology activities that we that are done for you by us and other preschool teachers that contribute to our membership resources. We have a wealth of lesson plans for you to choose from that are all connected to educational theories and early learning goals that will help you to maximize your available technology in your preschool learning environment today. So make a start with the sample lesson plan found below this video today and come back to reflect on your experience to continue your learning journey as a member of the ICT in Education Teacher Academy now.